pet overpopulation is a serious issue. Each year, millions of dogs and cats are being euthanized in the United States due to overpopulated shelters. Pets that are perfectly healthy and adoptable are being put down because there aren't enough people to adopt them. And every day, more and more pets are being brought into these shelters, so the problem is only getting worse. Right now, actually, in Palm Beach County Animal Care Control, they are so desperate to find loving homes for these animals that they have resorted to putting more than one dog in each kennel. And any dog that becomes too aggressive from being in such a tight living space, and honestly, who wouldn't, they're immediately put down. Not only is this a harsh reality, it's also a drain on resources that could be better utilized to serve our communities. So animal shelters are becoming so overcrowded that they're unable to care for millions of homeless pets that are being brought into their facilities. The only option is euthanization. Sadly, not enough people adopt these pets from shelters to ease the overcrowding. So many people, they purchase expensive pets from puppy mills or dog breeders, but they're not prepared for the many years of commitment and hard work that they require, so they drop them off at the nearest shelter as soon as it becomes to be too much work or too old. So the best way to solve this ongoing issue is to adopt instead of buying from breeders. And don't purposely breed your pet just for income. Spay and neuter your pets. Lots of shelters, they offer this service free of charge. So by adopting, you will help put an end to puppy mills. You will give an animal a second chance at life. So many of these pets are already house trained, so that saves you a lot of work. And you'll receive a companion without costing you a fortune. And you'll receive unconditional love. So go to your nearest shelter now. If you're unable to adopt or become a foster parent, then you can just donate and spread the word and become the voice for these helpless animals.